Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be dyeing my hair pink. I am so excited. I love having pink hair. It is literally, besides being blonde, having pink hair is like my favorite color to do. So today I'm going to be using, this guy here. This is from Arctic Fox. It is their new color Froze. So it's their new baby pink that they just came out with, and I'm really excited to try this. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna just kind of get started, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about the dye. All right, so I got the dye here, and I'm not gonna mix any conditioner in it or anything like that. I'm just gonna use it straight up. So this is what it looks like. It is the prettiest pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Oh my gosh, I love doing like the first application because girl, there's no going back now. I'm gonna start on the roots like I usually do. So, okay, girl, I actually already filmed this video. So I've already done, this is my second time doing my hair pink. This is the bottle that I used last time. So I already went through sorry if my voice is cracking. I'm like just getting over being sick. But so yeah, I already went through that whole bottle and I did my hair pink and I filmed it and I was gonna get it up for Valentine's Day. Like I was gonna do like a whole dye my hair pink for Valentine's Day. Well, I should probably put on gloves. Hold on. Okay, so like I was saying, I was gonna do a whole dyeing my hair pink for Valentine's Day, even though I was gonna dye my hair pink anyways, like regardless of the holiday. But because my last three times that I dyed my hair was I dyed my hair green for Christmas or like for the holidays, and then I dyed my hair blue for New Year's. And then yeah, it would have been pink for, February. So I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna do it for Valentine's Day. So I did it and I was not happy with how it came out just because of my own hair. I don't know if you saw my last video on how I got rid of the blue hair dye in my hair, but my roots were left kind of, yeah, pretty yellow. So I just put the pink on top of that and I kind of thought it would work. It would like work out okay, but girl, it didn't. It looked gross. I wasn't happy with how the pink was looking on my roots, and then on the rest of my hair it looked fine, but on my roots it was looking kind of gross. So another thing about this color is it actually washes out really quick. Like it did not last that long at all. Like I feel like it barely lasted a week and a half, 2 weeks. It came out pretty quickly. Like in about 3 washes, it was already out. My hair was back to being blonde. So, I mean, it came out really quick. So I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm going to fix my roots. Let me fix this root situation and then we're going to redo the pink. So yeah, I pretty much fixed my roots. They are a little bit, you can kind of see they're a little bit more on the golden side than the rest of my hair, but I feel like it's looking a lot better than what I started with before. So I did bleach my roots just the tiniest little bit. I toned them with purple shampoo. I didn't want to bleach them too much because, girl, I'm already dealing with so much breakage from what I've been doing to my hair. So I didn't want to do too much. Yeah, you can kind of see the difference, but it's looking better. So hopefully I'm going to get like an even pink this time. That is the goal here. So let me go ahead and finish this up. All right, we are getting somewhere. And I just put this up so it wouldn't touch my shirt, Okay, so you know how I was saying this color doesn't really last that long? And I do want to have pink hair for like a moment, you know what I mean? So let me know if you have any other pink dyes that you like, that you want me to try out, or you think I should try. I do like the Lime Crime Bunny. I've done a video before using it on my channel, and I do really like how that one turned out, so I might do that one next. But if you have one that you like, let me know in the comments because I'd like to try it.
It's a crazy Monday. I know it shows that I'm a little.
Alright, so the dye is on. I'm gonna let it sit in my hair for at least an hour or so to let it fully immerse into my hair. And then I'm gonna shower and I'll show you what it looks like after I wash my hair. Hey, so this is the final look. What do we think? What do you think about the color? Let me know. I like how this is looking a lot better than the last time I did it. My roots are looking, they're looking a lot better. So I'm really happy with how this came out. I love this pink. I think it is so pretty. But see what I mean? I feel like it's a really sheer color. I feel like if I wash my hair 3 times, it's going to go back to blonde. Like it's a very sheer color. But how it's looking like right now, I'm really happy with. So let me know if you have any recommendations for other pink dyes that you think I should try. I might do the Lime Crime Bunny next. I'll let you know. I'll keep you posted. And I didn't do extensions this time, so just my hair. I'm actually going to be doing tape-in hair extensions. I'm going to be doing like a whole tape-in hair extensions series. So I'm going to be dyeing them pink and I'll let you know the whole process. So if you have any questions about tape-in hair extensions, leave them in the comments so I know like what to touch on. But yeah, that's going to be coming up soon. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see how I got rid of the blue hair dye in my hair, click here. I'll leave my last video here so you guys can check that out. And I'll also leave my other pink hair videos in the description box. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave those down there. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!